So it's not hard to wrap. It doesn't take much time. All you have to do look at all the detail in the print. What do you guys think of that one? That obviously halo, ceramic coated. We PPF the front two pieces. Window tint on the windows, obviously, on the windshield and the side windows. That's UV protection, windshield, it's ceramic tint. So from Expel, this thing is awesome, ready to go. The lines line up perfectly with the tailgate. Looks so good. Would you rock this? Or do you want a different print for you? We could do that here at I1 Customs. If you already have a CyberTruck, why not make it unique with a custom wrap? Either wild or different, your design. We can do it here at I1 Customs. Which one do you like better? This is the tricky part right here. You gotta line that up with here, but also leave enough room to wrap around the corner and also make it make sense for that piece there. Trimmed out everything. What's really nice about this one, it's a pillar delete, so I was able to cut this, and that way we have enough room for everything. We've got plenty of room up here to wrap that edge, and alignment is difficult with this. But this one is a little bit more challenging because of the alignment. Looks really good. I do have to do some more trimming and everything, but everything lines up perfectly. The tailgate here goes right into that line. Looks so good. Now, I still have to do this side over here. I'm gonna do that. I'm not gonna show you guys. There's a lot of lining up with this thing. You really just wanna see what this looks like outside. The front is partway open because I'm about to wrap those two pieces. And this thing is going to look awesome.